Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use United Airlines miles. So let's get started. So first of all we will just open here our uh, option. Okay, so here we can see, so to use that we have the options to our reward. Okay, flight rewards and other things. So we can just use that. So here we can see, here to use you can just upgrade the overview, so you can just use in travel, shopping, so gift card and other experience from your United. So you can just upgrade and use them. So you can just book a travel, book with money miles, upgrade with miles, or view the low cost reward. So we can just book with money plus miles. So we can just do like this. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.